So I just left the hair salon from getting my hair done for this Mother's Day weekend. We're going to kick the weekend off. And I'm headed out of town. My daughter's going to take me to a place I wanted to visit for a little while now. But we're going to head to Indianapolis. I'm going to go have lunch with her at Restoration Hardware. And we're going to... There's another cute little cafe that we're going to go to. It's like very popular. I can't say if it's a local. I know it's local, but I can't say if it's like a chain, right? So I'll find the name and then let you know, of course, but we're going to stop there too. It's a cute little spot. I don't know if it's like a full-blown bakery, but they have like treats, like a lot of different pastries and teas and that sort of thing. So we're also going to stop there, and then we might run to the mall. I don't know what all we're going to get into, but I just figured I'd hop on, open up the weekend vlog today. Like I said, open up the vlog after I got my hair done, and then we are going to just see what else we get into. We were thinking of staying the night, but she's got an appointment in the morning, so she's not able to stay the night. So we'll just drive back. And it's only like 2 hours from where we live. So it's not like that bad of a drive. But yeah, so okay, I'm gonna go home, change my clothes, finish putting myself together, and then get on the road. All right. Okay, we made it here. It is beautiful. The property is just so pretty. It's gorgeous here. So, hey, I finally made it to RH, and this is just stunning. Let me show you the back of this building. Yes, it's like super, super pretty here. Gorgeous. So we just ordered our food. I will say the service started off a little rocky. It took us a little bit of time to get greeted, but we persevered through, and it was a little busy though. They had like an additional party. They had like a larger party here, so yeah, so that's it. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go back and enjoy my time here and just take in the sights, and I'll check back in with you guys here soon. Hey y'all, okay, we are just now leaving RH, and it was fun. It was nice. What would you say? Was it like scale of 1 to 10? What would you give it?
I would give it, for atmosphere and food, I would give it a 9, 8, 9. We definitely were not expecting the food to be as good as it was, just due to, you know.
Well, reviews, because I did read. I'm that kind of person. Like, I will pull up. Hopefully the air isn't too loud, you guys. We're sitting in a hot car, but I will pull up a restaurant and look at the menu before I go if I've never been.
Absolutely.
And then I will pull up reviews. Now, reviews,
when you say reviews, you mean like TikTok videos? Because that's what I do.
Well, that, but also, like, I think the app is called Yelp, where you can upload, for like restaurants and stuff. And so sometimes there's no sometimes. I will definitely do that just to make sure that, just to kind of see what other people are saying. Not that I revere other people's experiences and, so greatly, but it's a nice gauge. Because if a lot of people are saying the same thing about a place, odds are it's accurate. So
exactly.
I will say that so the food was great. It's beautiful. It's Restoration Hardware, so it's of course it's stunning in there. But at the service started out a little shaky. It took us 7 to 8 minutes for somebody to
even
acknowledge us once we were seated by the hostess, and we probably would have still been waiting had we not tapped somebody on the shoulder, tapped the hostess on the shoulder to say, hey, nobody's come to our table yet. So now they were a little bit busy. Didn't you say like they were doing...
The time that we got there, I feel like that might have been their peak, just because it probably was like a lunch time.
Yeah.
It was like peak lunch time. So
might have been
we definitely give grace, but with the experience, like with it being a place like Restoration Hardware, I was upset about that. That was disappointing, just because I would have thought that it would have been a little bit more,
you would have thought
service customer friendly.
Or for sure. So that's an area of opportunity for them for sure. But again, we still show grace, but at the same time, like, when you come to an establishment like you expect to be top tier service.
From the second that you walk into the door. From the moment
you walk into the door.
That's just anywhere. From the second that you walk into the door, because it's the experience. You don't know where these people are traveling from or what happened outside of your establishment, hence why you want to provide
top tier service. I mean, that's that's like a no-brainer. So of course they want to back in though, thank God. So okay, so we're gonna get out of here. We are probably gonna run to the mall real quick before we get on the highway and head back home. So all right, we will check in with y'all a little bit later.